Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial where I'll show you exactly how to change your WeChat Moments location using PoKeep Location Changer. Whether you want to surprise friends, protect your privacy, or create fun location-based content, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. First, connect your device, then enable developer options and USB debugging following the on-screen instructions. Now, here's the crucial step for WeChat. You need to select Universal Mode, not Game Mode. Universal Mode is designed specifically for social media apps like WeChat. For iOS, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Developer Mode. Toggle it on and restart your device when prompted. For Android, select Universal Mode and set PoKeep as your mock location app in Developer Options. This is the current location for my WeChat Moments. Once you're in the map interface, search for your destination using the search bar. You can enter an address or coordinates, or click on the map to select your exact spot. Then click Start Modifying to instantly teleport your device. WeChat Moments location is a bit hard to change. We need to first reset WeChat location permissions to clear location cache for WeChat. Long press WeChat icon, go to Permissions, choose Location, and set it to Deny. Then go to WeChat Moments again. Choose Location. Now it will ask you to grant permission. Go to Location Permission again and set it to Always Ask or while using the app. Then go back to WeChat Moments. Boom! You can now choose the desired location for your WeChat Moments post. You can also try restarting your phone to clear WeChat location cache if it doesn't show the new chosen location. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.